Hello, everyone. Again, this is Dr. Madrilejos. Uh, this topic is for Thursday, okay, February the 12th. Okay, here we go. On Thursday, okay, Thursday class, you're going to visit first the overview, what to expect. So you have done the first assignment, which is create or design a lesson objective, the 3 lesson objective on last Tuesday. Now, this time, you're going to do is you're going to create an assessment, a pre-assessment. So different type of assessment based on the 3 objectives that you created last Tuesday. Okay, we go. Student will align assessment with objectives to ensure validity and coherence in lesson planning. Okay, that's the assignment for today. But be mindful that you need also to submit your second draft of lesson plan and the field hours documentation. Okay, this is you're going to submit it here, week 4. Okay, go. Let's get this done. So, what I want you to do first is, of course, watch the video here. Later on, I'm going to post this here. Download this M2 assessment chart. That's very important to have that in your file. Let me open that M2. Okay. On this M2, this is the one you're going to submit it to me. So, objective, question, and instructional strategy chart. Okay. Complete the chart below using the 3 objectives from M1 assignment. On your M1 last Tuesday, you created 3 objectives. For each objective, write 1 open-ended question and 2 instructional strategy. What type of instructional strategy you're going to create? Okay. Fill in all the rows before submitting. So follow this instruction here. So everyone must submit their own chart individually in their bright space. Okay. Now, objective 1, you type your objective 1. And then here, you're going to create an open-ended question. And then you're going to create instructional strategy. What instructional strategy are you going to use? This is instructional strategy are the one you did on week 1. There's a list of instructional strategy there. Choose one, and then instructional strategy 2. Same thing with next is objective 2, open-ended question, instructional strategy 1, instructional strategy 2. Then objective 3, same thing as you go on. No? Now, the question is, sir, how do I create an open-ended question or instructional strategy? Okay. Now, you're going to download. I want you to do is download this PowerPoint here, resources. Download this. Once you download that, it looks like this. Okay. So you're going to use AI. You can use AI. Okay. So this is just a practice for you how to create an assessment. So use AI. What are the AIs that you can use? You can use ChatGPT, Eduate, Magic School, School A, Site, or Breeze. Okay, but right now I have a Breeze on my computer. No, so tools for the Breeze. I'm gonna use Breeze for now. Generate scaffold lesson plan for different learning levels. Create rubrics, quizzes, and guide notes. Customize instructional strategy and various learning styles. So that's how you can use Breeze, okay? So on my computer, I'm going to show my computer. I already have a Breeze here. So if I click this, I can see this is already recorded on the Breeze, okay? I already have Breeze there, no? But let me go back to the PowerPoint. So on this PowerPoint, either you scan it or I can play it here. it's a video. This is the link. Okay, watch this. This is how to create lesson plan using Brisk. Okay, so this is the, well, if I play that, that's how you create lesson plan. Okay. Now, I know I taught you how to create lesson plan using the other AI tool, no? But this is another AI tool. Next is here, differentiation strategies. The strategies that you're going to use is content differentiation, reading a passage at multiple levels, or process differentiation, personalized activities, support tools. Okay, process is like, if you're in mathematics, is how you're going to create, how you're going to teach them how to solve, let's say, two-steps equation or three-steps equations or multiple steps equations. Okay, solving for the value of the variable, or product differentiation, AI assisted assignment with student choice. So you can create an assessment using AI. Okay, learning environmental adaptive digital learning process or spaces. So next is here. What's this? This, oh wait, is this, no. Well, I'm here in this lesson. This is also AI, also Brisk, on how to create a lesson as an example. So if I play this video, it's how to create a lesson plan or a quiz based on the video, okay? Okay. So like I said, I have a Brisk. So if you want to download on your Brisk on your laptop and use this as a practice for you as you go on to creating a lesson plan, okay? You do not have to do this, okay? You do not have to do this. I'm just showing you this. You do not have to do this part here. Slide 7, 8, 9. You don't have to do that. But what you need to do is, I want you to create on the Brisk like open-ended question and put it in your assignment. Either use Brisk or ChatGPT. It doesn't matter which one, okay? After you create an open-ended question, I want you to, once you create an open-ended question on AI, I want you to put it in AI, generate a rubric based on this open-ended question. Either Brisk or ChatGPT, you're going to type generate a rubric based on open-ended question. Okay. Now, the instructional strategies are here. There's a lot. Multiple modalities, assignment menus, well, like I mentioned in the first class, no? Respond cards, four corners, jigsaws, RAF, whiteboard relay, 6 seconds. Consider which one you use in the lesson. You must select 2 instructional strategy on that assignment. Remember, you're going to use this, okay? And the rubric, you're going to paste it here. I mentioned earlier, when you have your open-ended question, generate a rubric for that open-ended question and paste it here. Next is combining all assessment and all assessment. Next, create a chart. Well, we already have the chart, no? We already have the chart. There we go. We already have the chart. The chart is this, basically. Okay, again, I'm going to repeat. Use your 3 lesson objective from M1 or last Tuesday. You're going to generate an open-ended question, 3 of those. After that, you're going to generate a rubric for the open-ended question. You have also 3 rubrics here. Okay, and then you create what type of instructional strategy you're going to use based on this. Okay, you need to be very specific how you're going to do this instructional strategy. Okay. All right. Thank you for listening. I hope you understand. This is for Thursday class.